Hi everybody, it's Lauren Brown, also known as Raggedy Royal on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and now YouTube. And today we are doing this dark red lip combo. So the first time I did this lip is when I did these eyes. We'll check out that tutorial. I think it's the last video I posted about this dark red anti-Valentine's Day halo eye. And I was like, what type of lip am I going to do with it? Because I've been doing so many Valentine's Day looks and most of them are brighter, soft glams, pinks, purples. I was like, I want to do something totally on the opposite spectrum. Something that went with the anti-Valentine's Day trend that was like really hot in 2016, 2017. I don't even know where it came from. But just doing a darker version of those looks. And thus, this lip was born. So if you want to know how I did it, keep on watching. If you enjoyed this video, learn anything along the way, please give it a like down below. And consider subscribing. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers. We just hit the big 47,000 recently, a couple days ago. Let's get into the video. Okay, so per the always, this lip combo is not going to start on the lips. It's going to start in the Cupid's bow. I'm going to take this JCat Beauty Baked Highlighter in Crimson Gleam. You can use any highlighter that you have, any sparkly ivory or sparkly. This is like a rose gold sort of shade. I'm going to take my finger. You can use a brush, but I'm not, you don't have to. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to highlight the Cupid's bow. Where's the Cupid's bow? That's that V right here in between where your right side of your top lip and your left side of your top lip meet. We're going to highlight the Cupid's. We're going to put that highlighter there. And that's going to be that. You don't want to put too much there because it's going to look like a milk mustache. But you want to, highlight that Cupid's bow. The reason why is that when you start to line the lips, that contrast on top of that Cupid's bow where you already highlighted it is going to accentuate the shape of your lips. Now, your Cupid's bow may not look like mine. That's cool. It may be smaller than mine, maybe bigger than mine, maybe less defined, more defined. Either way, you're going to highlight right there wherever your Cupid's bow is. Now let's get into the liner. So today I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil, and this is in shade Whatever Black. You can use whatever black, well, unintended. You can use whatever black that you have. This is a ColourPop this is a ColourPop lippy pencil in Bull Chic. So whatever black lipstick you have, I'm going to use this right here. You're going to line the lips. So I'm going to start on the right side of my top lip and line. Now, as you can see, I go over the shape of my actual lines just a little bit. So I overline a smidge just because that accentuates the shape. And I just like, I don't know. I feel like it looks more even that way. The shape, it does something for the shape. Okay. I'm going to do the same on the other side of the top lip. We're going to ignore how stained and like rough my lips look because I literally did the lip, then wiped it off. Now I'm filming it, so we're going to ignore that. Next, we're going to line that bottom lip. To line the bottom lip, I like to start in the right corner. And just go down underneath that lip. And that's that. Like most of my lip combo videos, most time on this channel, there's going to be a 3-piece Lauren Brown lip recipe. Okay, so you have your liner. This is not going to be our main shade, but this is going to help us with the ombre, and then you're going to have our main shade. So we have 3 lipsticks we're going to use. Next, we're going to go into this berry. So this is the Revlon ColorStay Matte Light Crayon in On Cloud Wine, freaking friend of the show. And we're going to go on top of the black and onto the lip. The reason why we're adding this shade is that if we do the black and the red, you can do that. Like you can just do the black and then the red and it'll look good, but it kind of looks disconnected because it doesn't have the depth, right? Because the black is so cool and so, I don't want to say ashy because it's not ashy, but it has like an ash to it. It's kind of like mixing a dark gray and like an orangey red, and I feel like it's not as harmonious. So that's why I like to add that berry shade as well. Now we're going to go into this Makeup Forever Rouge Artist Forever Matte and Constantly on Fire. You can use whatever red lipstick you have. And I'm going to fill in the lip. This is a very odd like lipstick because it's like the sponge. As you can see, it's not rectangular. It's not elongated. It's like short and stubby, so you're going to have to stipple on the lipstick. There we go. Now, you just go like this if you're on the go. But with this dark black here and this red here. I kind of want to make sure that I use a brush just to blend it out. Make sure it's all harmonious. Since the black is so stark, I don't want to make it look like a ring. You know, sometimes we have the liner and it's not incorporated into an ombre. It just looks like one ring of one color, like one ring of black and then some red. I wanted it to look like an ombre. I wanted it to look cohesive. I'm going to use this brush here. I found that's the best method for that. This is not a special brush at all. This is just a Morphe M152. Just a flat brush. I like a flat brush that's a little bit chubbier when I go to the lip. Just because I feel like it blends it better than those flat brushes that are very, very flat and hard. Because as you can see, since it is chubby and has more bristles, it kind of like moves. You can move it back and forth. It's flexible is what I'm trying to say. Now, perhaps you can see what I mean by the black can get kind of like cool gray blue. So we're going to add just a little bit more purple. And then up top, if necessary, you add just a little bit more black. Say, for example, you're like, okay, I added too much purple or added too much black. Just go back in, add a little bit more red. That's all there is to it. These lip combos, I like to make them, I want to make the audience feel very comfortable and know that they're low stakes, because worst case scenario, what would I do? If you really just can't figure out like what color to add more of, even though I've explained like which color gives what effect, you're like, I just want to restart over. All you have to do is take a makeup wipe it off and restart, right? You're gonna wipe it off, put a little foundation, a little powder back on that area, highlight the cupid's bow and start again. Like, this is nothing to be stressed about. I know I'm always saying that in every tutorial, but that's because it's important. Especially for my beginners out there. I know that makeup can seem very daunting. It's the same way I feel about hair, because I don't do my hair. Like, I've never been a hair girl. So like, I feel like when I watch those videos, I'm like, whoa, seems like so much can go wrong. So I just want to make sure that you know it's okay. Even if it does go wrong, worst case scenario, just wipe it off. I was not paying attention. I made a mess. Hold on. Okay, we are back. One thing about this liquid lipstick is that if you add too much, it will start to rub off. So while I was sitting here talking, it became a textural mess. But this is how you do this lip right here. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like. If you want to see more lip combos, guess what? I have plenty for you. I have how to do the perfect red lip, the nude lip combo. I have a matte nude lip combo. So one with gloss, one with nude lip, bubblegum pink, hot pink, smoky, blue, orange, vampy purple, vampy red with the gloss. So many lips. So if you want to see more lip combos, it will come up on the screen. Check out that playlist. If you want to know how I did these eyes, don't worry, I also have that for you for a little anti-Valentine's Day look if you're into that. I also have so many Valentine's tutorials up right now. So if you're watching this during that time of year, or you just love that color scheme, I'm not judging. You can check those videos out as well. If you want to know how I did anything on my face other than my eyes, my brows, my face, anything, there is a video for that. And if you're new to makeup, I have a makeup foundationalist playlist where I go through so many different things. How to apply lashes, waterline 101, blush 101, the whole 9. So you can stick around a little bit. Thanks so much for 47,000 subscribers. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing down below. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers, and giving this video a like. And if you want to see another lip combo color that I haven't done, or just something else in general, let me know down below what you want to see, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh wait, if you want to see more of my looks, more of my life, you can check me out in the shorts tab and on all my socials at Raggedy Roy. If you tried this lip out, I would love to see it. Tag me or DM me at Raggedy Roy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.